Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, fuel efficient, and certified pre-owned. Features also include keyless entry, power windows, halogen headlamps, USB adapter, MP3. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Mirage. The Mirage from Mitsubishi Motors is classified as a subcompact car. The Mirage is a car you want for easy parking, decent cargo space, and surprising mileage, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, keyless entry, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Owners of a certified pre-owned Mitsubishi vehicle get the same powertrain limited warranty coverage as the original owner. Even better, there is zero deductible for all covered repairs. And just to make sure they have you covered, they provide 24-hour roadside assistance at no cost, while the certified warranty is in effect. Check out your local Mitsubishi dealer today to find out all the details.